Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting a 95% discount video. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be led into a page like this, and now I'm going to tell you how you can get 95% discount from Hostinger. So what you have to do is once you click on the link in the description, simply select the get started. The best thing regarding Hostinger is the 30 days money back guarantee. So once you select the get started, you will be directly landed to the plans. And if you apply the coupon code and use the special discount link, you can save as much as up to 95%. So this is an amazing time to buy your hosting from Hostinger. By default, Hostinger offer you 3 plans: premium, unlimited, and cloud startup. But here for other products or plan, the coupon code is valid. So which is why this is an amazing 95% discount deal. All of the plans 30 days money back guarantee. All of the plans can be cancelled anytime, and all of the plans have 24/7 support. So do a thorough research of all the plan features function before opting for one. For instance, the premium one has 3 website, 20 GB SSD storage. The unlimited one has NVMe storage, and the cloud setup also has NVMe, but even more. If you ask me which plan I'm using the unlimited plan. So right now a special discount deal is running right now. It's 79% off. Simply select the choose plan with any of the plan. If you ask me, my recommendation is to go with this plan, but you can choose any plan as per your convenience to get the 95% discount. Simply select the choose plan, and then you will be redirected to another page. Now again, I'm recommending you is to click on the link in the description if you want to enjoy this amazing deal from Hostinger. So once you're landed over here, by default Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. But this is a special limited time deal, and I want you guys to take the advantage of it. So you can offer the 48 months to save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again, but you can offer other one as well. After this, you can see your order summary over here, and now select the however coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can claim the free domain by writing over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as each panel. So simply apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price got a further discount. So 79% plus 10% for the coupon code is 89%, but 95% how? You are also getting a free domain for 1 year and also free mailboxes for 1 year. So do your math: 89% plus free domain, free mailboxes, and free daily backup. So it's more than 95%, but let's assume it's a 95%. So after this, simply select the continue over here, and after this you may need to create a new account at Hostinger. But since I'm already logged in, which is I'm at the last part, and see your order summary over here, is everything is fine as per your requirement. After this, see your billing address, do everything as per your convenience, and move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment. Now Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods. You can pay via credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and CoinGate for crypto payments. And they Hostinger even offer country specific payment methods as well. So let's say we are going into credit card, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment, and within few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. So just for revision, the procedure and process is very easy to avail this limited time 95% discount. What you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger. So I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years or so, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I want you guys to take advantage of this amazing Hostinger offer. So good luck with your 95% discount here at Hostinger. Good luck.